This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about matcha powder, and much of what you'll find sold is going to be what they call culinary grade, meaning that it's used for making foods, and that's its intended purpose, and it's kind of formulated so that it's going to blend well with those other ingredients rather than the ceremonial grade, which would be intended just for making actual tea. The culinary grade is typically less expensive, and it's great for doing things like making desserts, breads, adding into shakes, or using to make things like boba. So it's a smooth blend of flavors, and it should have a certain vegetal kind of grassy note to it, but also be pleasantly just a little bit bitter, and it also has a nice nutty and sweet quality, and it makes it ideal for using in desserts, breads, and pastries, and also for making some really awesome drinks. So matcha powder is a great thing to have on hand in your pantry for using in your baking and making yourself little treats. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.